In the next one or two talks on OSP, I'm going to talk about the um, what we call as a preface to the book of OSP. It is more like an introduction to the book as well as kind of a trailer of a movie that we see these days. It's only a 1.5 page summary of what the earth was like during the early stages of creation and the transformation that it has gone through by the light and the wisdom of the Creator. In trying to put up these talks that I have gotten into, I have had to do proper research on OSP. Earlier, my reading used to be like off and on, and generally the doctrinal portions for self improvement. But then, when I have to put in this kind of talks, I find it necessary to do proper research, as a result of which these talks have come around. So in the beginning of the earth and the creation thereon, when it was right time for man to be brought forth, he was brought on to the earth about 84,000 years ago. After creating man, the Creator said to him, of course through all kind of inspiration, so that you know that you are a work of my hand, I have given you capacity for knowledge, power and dominion. This was in the first era. But man was helpless and he did not understand the Creator's voice. He was like any other animal walking on the earth on 4 legs, and he was not upright. So this must have gone on for thousands of years. So because man was helpless in the first era, in the second era, what Creator did was, Creator brought in angels from other heavens to teach men to become upright. These angels were high-raised angels, and they were brought in a very large number, probably larger than the people living on the earth. They were brought in to teach men to become upright and different from all the other animals who walk on 4 legs. Man was made to walk on 2 legs and then start using his hand. In the third era, since man had multiplied in the earlier era and was living like animals and nomads, they were generally living isolated, as we see in the movies around now, the science fiction and all that. The Creator, through his angels, inspired all these people who were living isolated and separately to come together and live in established communities. Hence, since they were brought together by the higher spirits, men started living together in colonies, And mm, because they were living close by, some of the strong and powerful men were uh, inspired by the beast, by the self inside, to possess more and more. That all things were there. That is what the inside of them told them, that the more they amass, the better it is for them. This is what we see in the present day also. This was in the fourth era. Men started living selfishly and not being considerate to others, and because of this, fights and wars started erupting at that time. Be, because of this selfishness and that wanting to amass um, uh, and possess more, man became sick at heart, and he started complaining to the beast inside him of the strife and struggle, and wanted peace for himself and others. But the beast always has negativity in his heart and started inspiring men towards more strife and wars, eating without consideration and eating flesh and fish, becoming a carnivore. He no longer heard the voice of the Creator and not believed in him, and this was in the fifth era. So the beast divided itself into four great heads, meaning four false godheads, and possessed the earth, and men fell down and worshipped them. They were one Brahmins, two Buddhists, three Christians, four Mohammedans. They divided the earth among themselves, choosing soldiers and sending armies for maintenance of their earthly properties. These soldiers were trained to kill, and man started devoting his life in armies and in killing, and in eating and drinking, and leading negatively inspired life of the beast. The Creator tried to guide men away from their selfishness, and man did not listen to the Creator, but instead kept on listening to the beast inside him and leading the negative way, and this was in the sixth era. That is what we have seen happening around us, or the world wars and the standing armies that people have created, the nuclear bombs around, and destruction and death. And that is what is going on in the Middle East in year 2020. The Creator sent his angels again to the earth, trying to inspire men to revert his ways to peace and harmony, to disband their armies and stop being a carnivorous animal. Man was asked to stop worshipping the false gods, and this was the beginning of the seventh era. This is the present day cosmos, starting from 1848 onward, when the Creator, through his higher raised angels, has made available to man the records from the libraries in heaven. His grand scheme of establishing his kingdom on earth, and with this move on his part, all the false gods and their religions will be obliterated from the earth when some shalams, meaning Jehovah's kingdoms, are established, and seeing how beautiful and peaceful life can become, the other human beings on the earth will also start taking part happily in the Creator's grand scheme of things to come. Thank you.